Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to add an image field in Odoo version 14. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 14 development tutorials. So if you go to the sales module, if I go to the sales module, and if you open the customers form view or even from the content view itself, you can see we can add an image for the record. So if I open this Gemini furniture, you can see we have the option to add and delete the image for the record in Odoo. So let's see how we can add such a field inside our patient model that we have created. So if I go to the hospital menu, and if I open any of the patients, so currently we don't have an image for the patient. So let's see how we can add an image field here for the patient, and let's upload some images for the patient. So let's see how we can do that. So before going into the PyCharm, if I go to the sales itself and if I open the customers form view, before opening the customers form view, let me activate the debug mode. So I'll be going into the settings, and from the settings I will activate the developer mode in the database. So the developer mode is activated. Now if I go to the sales and then to the customers, and if I open this record and if I place the mouse over here, you can see the type of the field. You can see the technical name of the field is image 920 and type binary widget image is given. Actually we have to define a binary field for this purpose. So if I go to the PyCharm, and this is my custom add-ons path, that is Dave, and if I open, we can get the OM hospital module. So if I go to the models folder, I'll be making change inside the patient.py file. So this is the model of the patient, so I have to define a new field of type binary here. So I'll give the name as image equal to fields dot, the type must be binary, fields dot binary, and you can give a string like patient image. You can give a string like this, that is patient image. So simply what I have done is I have defined a binary field inside my model, that is image equal to fields dot binary, and I have given a string. Now what I have to do, I have to add this field inside the corresponding view, then only we can see it in the UI. So let me go to the browser, and if I click on edit form view, let me see how it has been added inside the partner form view. And if I scroll down, you can see this is the field definition, image 1920 widget image. So we have to give this widget and also class OE avatar. So you can see it's given right under the sheet tag. So similarly under the sheet tag I will add this field. So let me copy this. I'll copy this from here, copy, and I'll go to the PyCharm, and from the PyCharm I will add it to the corresponding view, that is patient view. So inside the patient view after the sheet tag, so if you check the code of partner form, you can see it has been added right under or before the div starts. So we will be giving right under the sheet tag. So I will go to the PyCharm and I will paste it here, and I'll close the tag. So what I have done is right now our field name is image. So what I have done is I have added a field of type binary in the model. Then in the corresponding view I have added the field and give the widget. So for this image you have to give widget image and class OE avatar. So that's what I have done now. So let's see what happens if I upgrade the module right now. So we have added the fields to the model and the view, and then I restarted the service. Now I will go to the UI, and from here I will upgrade the Odoo 14 development tutorials. So I have to go to the apps menu. So from the apps menu, I will upgrade the Odoo 14 development tutorials. So if you haven't got this module, you can go to the Odoo app store and search for Odoo development tutorials by Odoo Mates, and you can get this code. So the module has been successfully upgraded. Now if I go to the hospital and if I open any of the patient and if I click on edit, you can see the same has been get added here. So right now we haven't added any image for Jennifer. So if you need to add a new image, you can simply click on this pencil icon. So before doing that, you can see the field name is image, type is binary, widget image is given. So to add a new image, simply click on this pencil button, and from here you can add an image from your system. So simply click on that, you can see the image getting added here, and if you click on save, the image has been saved. And if you need to view, simply click on from here, you can view that. And if you refresh, let's verify, you can see still the image is there. So this is how simple you can add an image field in Odoo. And let's try for some another records also. So I'll choose Jennifer, so let me choose Sam, and let's add one more image for Sam. So I'll click on edit button, and using this you can add an image. And let's suppose if you need to remove an image, simply you have to click on this trash icon. So if you click on this one, the image will get removed. And to add the image, simply click on the pencil button, choose from your images, click on save. So this is how simple you can add an image field in Odoo version 14. Simply what you have to do is that you have to define a field of type binary, fields.binary. You can give a string, even though we are not showing the string anywhere in the UI. Simply you can give a string, that is patient image. Then in the corresponding view, you can add the field, use the widget equal to image and class OE avatar. So that's all about this video. If you have any doubts, feedbacks or suggestions, don't hesitate to reach out over the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com, or you can directly comment right under the video section. So that's all about this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.